Hello, welcome to Pranjal Analytics. This channel is for people who work with Excel, MIS professionals, and anyone who wants to move into data analytics. I created this channel because many skilled Excel professionals feel stuck in their careers, and there is very little clear and practical guidance available. Here, we will talk about analytics in a simple and practical way, without hype and without unrealistic promises. If you work in MIS or use Excel every day and you feel stuck in your career, this video is for you. You work hard, you deliver reports on time, but still growth is slow. And you start thinking, am I doing something wrong? Let me tell you one thing. It's not your fault. The problem is not your effort. The problem is the role structure. Most companies, MIS or Excel based roles involve daily and weekly reports, manual data updates, and repetitive tasks. The work is important, but the role is mainly designed for support, not for analysis or strategy. Over a time, you become faster in Excel, you learn shortcuts, you improve formulas, but the output still looks the same. Management sees report, not insights. And because of this, growth opportunities stay limited. Please remember this line. Even if you are good at your work, your job role may not allow much growth. This is where data analytics come in. Data analytics is not only about reports, it's about cleaning data, understanding patterns, and supporting decisions. This shift from reporting to thinking changes your career direction. This does not mean MIS is a bad job. MIS is a good starting point. Excel is a powerful skill. But long-term growth requires moving from execution to analysis. I hope this was helpful for you. Thanks for being here and spending your time with me.